a second I thought I was gonna lose the phone. I mean, it's not so deep here, but you don't want to drop your phone either. I'm a little pissed. Well, not really. I guess they are all about security. So I've been at the gate for like the last 10 minutes. And I had to call my friend so he could call reception. So reception could call the gate so they can let me in. And now I am waiting to be let in. I mean, we're inside, kind of. But after going back to talk to security, didn't receive a call from reception. Didn't receive anything. And he's like, oh yeah, sorry, no, did you make a reservation online? I'm like, dude, like 10 minutes ago I told you I was meeting a friend. And he's like, oh okay, you're fine, go. I'm breathing, you know, it's not gonna mess up this day. The sun is shining. So after waiting for another 10 or 15 minutes at the lobby, I'm in a buggy. I don't know what it's called, like a golf cart thing. Heading to one of the rooms. I do not like resorts. I will stay at a hotel or an Airbnb actually. That's more personal because I don't even feel like I'm in Mexico anymore. We are at the resort. I'm cheap, but I have rich friends, so I get to be in the resort, which is nice. Get you some rich friends. Hi to the camera.
Hey, listen, man.
These are my rich friends.
Oh.
Get you some rich friends so you can hang out at a resort.
Listen, man, it's all about.
What is she? Camera shy.
Yeah, I'm good camera shy, but it's all about friendship. It's all about getting it fun, having some fun.
Yes, living life. Now we're gonna go try to find the jet ski. Pretty excited about that.
I'm gonna go in the water in the ocean.
In the ocean. We're very excited about
She's not
that.
gonna swim in the middle of the ocean.
She will.
I don't know.
She will. Maybe there's something there waiting for you. Maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, think of things you're
Man,
manifesting.
you wanted to go
Maybe
wild.
there's something in the ocean. Hi, Kat.
She is not looking. She's like, who are you?
Yeah, you just need like time to recharge.
Yes, exactly. Instructions. Go ahead, please. Sorry.
Take you out to the safe area where you can drive, which is in the dark blue, dark water, open sea. Behind that boat parking out there. You see it there in front? No. See? Far out. So, side to side, further out if you want.
Girl, I would have took it. You're fine. I would have took it for you.
Yes?
No, you were not doing the most. Girl, you on vacation. Get your pig.
That's true. I gotta remember this later. We're going to the jet ski. Very excited about this. Very excited. First time, yeah, for both of us. First time. So we're very excited. The sky is blue. The jet skis are out there. Can't complain. Say hi, people. Say hola. Okay.
Please pay
see
attention
getting
to
on,
this,
but I'm
okay?
on.
This is important. This is very important.
Okay, okay, okay.
Something like that.
Yes.
Ready to start or stop the engine.
Okay.
This is the gas. Look. That's the gas. Look.
Yeah.
That's the gas.
Okay.
No brakes. Just release it and you will.
You guys, this word manifesting, I cannot take it for granted. I want a freaking jet ski in the middle of the ocean. Anna and I have been talking about jet skiing all week, and I ended up, I mean, she's gonna hate me for this, but I ended up with a jet ski. I'm so happy. Like, okay, I'm being silly. This is my first time on a jet ski, clearly. I am loving it. Look at the water. Look at, look at this. It is crazy. And it is so peaceful.
Do you want to jump in the water real quick?
I can, yeah.
She does too, so she wanted to do it by you.
It's okay if we do it, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right.
All right.
Still recording. Nice.
Time. It's Waverly time. Her name is right after the ocean. Wave. The lake. Cynthia on the jet ski. You know what it is. You know what time it is. You know how we get down around here in the middle of the blue waters.
Yeah. Hey. We're in the ocean. Oh my god, this life we're in the middle of the ocean. Woohoo! That's crazy. Okay. I am gonna give my life over to Waverly. She's gonna take me back to shore. Yep. I trust her driving skills. She likes it fast, she said. She likes it fast. Fast and hard. I think it's red above now.
Yes, it's on 4 seconds.
Just go a little. Oops, I'm sorry. No, you're fine.
She's not a good driver because she bumped into us.
I'm really should. Kayaking is hard work. It looks easy, but like, you get your muscles strong. Am I doing this right? I'm sure you guys are watching this and like, oh my goodness, she sucks at paddling. I need to kayak more often. It's the middle of the ocean. See that yellow dot? That's Kevin and Waverly parasailing. Look at the beach behind me. It's so beautiful. For a second, I thought I was gonna lose the phone. I mean, it's not so deep here, but you don't want to drop your phone either. It's getting pretty deep here, so I gotta be careful with this phone. It's so pretty. You know what I should have brought? I should have brought my headphones. I didn't know I was gonna kayak, so I didn't, but I'm literally just hanging out here in the middle of the ocean. Well, not the middle, but you get the point. Some nice homes behind me. I'm gonna kayak a little more, see what it looks like. This is how life should be lived. Spanish is muy un poquito. Muy un poquito Spanish. I'm from Nigeria and Alemania and USA and Sierra Leone and everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Hola from Mexico. That's a lot of fumes. Just polluted my ocean air. My jet skiing was awesome.
It was so much fun.
And then they went parasailing, so that was nice. And now I get to eat at a fancy. Get your rich friends, you guys. All-inclusive resort, so they just have like different food stations over there. So apparently at the resort you also get all-inclusive food and drinks. So they're gonna come get our drink order, and it tastes pretty good, so can't complain. It was a good day with this lovely people here. You guys give me a hug. But I have to go to Cancun now.
She's leaving us.
I'm
know,
leaving
we're
them
cool enough.
in their fancy resorts to enjoy their fancy resort. Please, please, I'm going to my village of Cancun downtown. Leave the resort. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye.
Never really